Hi, my name's Colleen, and welcome to this week's edition of Data for Marketers. Today we are going to focus on targeting customers that are good candidates for upgrade. Before we get started, you are going to need read-only access to your database. So you are going to need a way to write and run SQL against your database. If you don't have that, ask one of your developers or someone on your data analyst team to help you get set up. You can always reach out to me directly too with any problems. This is Hello Query, and this is actually my software, but you can use any software you want. You can also follow along exactly if you want using our free product database sample. All right, so let's jump in. As I said, we're trying to target customers to entice to upgrade. That's what we're doing. And so if you're using Hello Query or your software of choice, you come in and you're going to go to the SQL only option. And then what we're going to do is we're going to grab the query. And this query is actually in my guide. So we can go right into my guide and we can just copy the query. And this is the query for how to identify customers to upsell. Okay, so we're just going to grab this query and we're going to put it right in, and then we'll take a look. So what are we doing here? What we are doing is we are using three different tables. We're using a customers table, a subscriptions table, and a plans table. Your database might have users instead of customers. One way you can check that is you can click on schema and you can actually look at the list of tables in your database. So we're taking our ID, our name, and our email from the customers table. So this is going to return to us three columns, ID, name, and email. And we're going to join that onto subscriptions based on the customer ID. And then we're going to join that onto plan based on the plan ID. So we are pulling all users that have a plan name of free, all emails that are not like Gmail, because we are targeting professional business emails only. And we also keep track of a last login, and we're looking when they last log in within 7 days, because that means they are active users of our application and are high probability that they would upgrade. So we can run this. That looks good. We can name this customers eligible for upgrade, and we can save it. And then once that's saved, we can just export it to CSV and hit these people with a campaign. Maybe we give them an offer code, maybe we give them a discount, or entice them in some other way. But this is you can see how quickly, with the correct SQL, how quickly we can join those three tables, get just the slice of important information we need in order to target the correct customers that have the highest propensity to upgrade. So I would love to hear if this worked for you. If you run into any problems, feel free to give me a shout. I love to hear from all of you, and I'd love to hear about your data problems, and maybe I can solve one in my next video.